Hey everybody, so I'm coming in real quick to show y'all how to make this drink. It's a twist off of a Tequila Sunrise. So y'all drink responsibly, be careful, don't drink and drive. You know the drill, but I just have to say it. So thank y'all so much for watching. I don't know why I'm saying this in the beginning of the video, but I hope y'all enjoy. Stay tuned. Alright, so for this drink, I'm gonna add some tequila, pineapple juice, grenadine, some fresh lime juice. That'll be for the garnish. Some pineapple and simple syrup. And it's gonna take ice, but I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna make this drink. Okay, so first things first, I have my lime juice in my pitcher. I'm gonna use some pineapple juice. I'm gonna make more than one, so little simple syrup. So the lady at the liquor store said this was good, so we're gonna get a different one, but she said to try this one, so that's what we're trying. I'm not a big tequila drinker. Oof. I just smelled it, child. Alright, so I'm gonna get a glass and I'll be right back. Okay, so So now, when you want I have another one that's open, so I want to open that one. So what you do, can you see that? Pour it to the side. Okay. Alright, pour it to the side so that it settles at the bottom. Alright, now here's two different take it and put it all the way through. Like that. Or take some tahini. Do it the same way. There you go. pretty good. Like I said, I'm not a huge tequila drinker, but figure it's Cinco de Mayo. I can, you know. But so that's it, y'all. Thank y'all so much for watching. I hope that y'all having a great weekend. Drink responsibly, and I'll see y'all later.